Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating the problem. Check whether other devices can't reach the internet too, because that tells you if it's the ISP or your device. Once confirmed, power cycle the modem and router by unplugging both for about 30 seconds, then plug the modem in first, wait for full sync, then the router. Next, on your device, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect using the exact SSID and password to clear cached credentials and a bad DHCP lease. Now dig into settings to fix lingering issues. On your device, confirm DHCP is enabled so the router assigns a valid IP. If you see a 169.254.x address, renew the lease or reboot again. Next, check DNS, temporarily set it to 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8 or the router IP to rule out DNS failures. Also, update router firmware, if available, and quickly verify an ISP outage via mobile data. Finish by targeting stubborn causes. Test the connection with an Ethernet cable to determine if Wi-Fi hardware or the internet link is at fault, and if the router settings seem corrupt, perform a factory reset and reconfigure SSID and password. Once done, check modem status lights and collect any error codes. If you still lack internet, call your ISP and provide modem logs or status LED patterns. Alternatively, use a mobile hotspot for urgent tasks while the ISP investigates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.